Hello my guys, and welcome to another episode. For this episode I have a new floor mat for my Toyota RAV4 from the company OEDRO. Let's open the bags, put them on, let's see how they look. This is for the driver. Passenger. And for the rear. It also has the floor mat manual and spare clips for the driver's side. So if you have any 2019 to 2024 Toyota RAV4 non-hybrid, this is gonna be a really good option. Material is really durable for any weather, snow, mud, rain. And for the shape, if you have rain, snow, mud, it's not gonna go to the carpet, which is important. This is the driver's side. It has the clips. Passenger doesn't have, so doesn't need it. But these floor mats, they're gonna be really good because all the mud, rain, and snow is not gonna go to the carpet. If you have the stock or the OEM floor mat, you know that those they're not covered at all. I have a set, but they're really minimal. They don't go up, and pretty much everything that gets into the floor mat is gonna go to the carpet. These ones are gonna be odorless, they're not gonna smell, and they're gonna be durable. They're not gonna crack on cold weather. And we're gonna put them on to see how they look on the RAV4. Here on the driver's side, make sure that it doesn't hit the pedals, but my pedals, the gas pedal goes to the floor, so I don't worry about that. When you put it on, make sure that you put the clip on, twist it, same on the other side. And right now, because it was on the box, it's still kinda high. Just let it sit, let it rest, and it's gonna go down. It's gonna form in the base. So if you can see, it covers really well. Later on, this one is gonna go flat, which that's what I need, so all the dust and rain doesn't go in here. Covers all the way up on the back on that side too. And the material is not slippery, so it's not gonna, your feet is not gonna slide. The sign right here in the middle is gonna allow you to retain all the dust and water and the snow, mud in this area, and it's not gonna go everywhere. Here on the passenger side, same thing. You don't have clips, but with this material, it's not gonna slide. It's gonna stay in place. It doesn't have the clips, that's why it needs to stay in place. As you can see, it forms really well right here on this curve, all the way up on the edge of the seat. Covers all the way up and feels, and it looks really good. Here on the rear, if you can see, it forms really well to the bottom. All goes all the way up on this side, covers really well all the way around, forms really well on the edge, and right in the middle covers really nice too. And like I said before, non-slippery. My feet doesn't move, and scratch resistant, odorless, and they're not gonna crack and they're not gonna deform with time. I'm just gonna wait, let them sit, so this part can rest and goes all the way down. And there you have it. If you wanna go from this, which is not gonna cover anything, everything is gonna be really dirty and it's really hard to keep them clean, and to vacuum this because all the dirt is stuck into the fabrics. If you wanna go from there to that, I'm gonna leave the link in the description. For this floor mat, they're gonna be 100% better than those. So there you have it, guys. I'm gonna leave the link in the description for this floor mat for any 2019 to 2024 non-hybrid Toyota RAV4. I hope you like this episode, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.